It's a beautiful occasion to be able to sit together as a family and close the Sabbath, don't you think? And we just thought that as the sun sets, we could just sing a song together. Is that all right? And just as a recognition that God was with us today, and He dwelt among His people. So help me sing this one. I know most of you do know it. There's a sweet, sweet spirit in this place, and I know that it's the Spirit of the Lord. There are sweet expressions on each face, and I know that it's the Spirit of the Lord. Sweet, sweet, sweet Spirit. Sweet Holy Spirit, sweet heavenly dove, stay right here with us, filling us with your love. And for these blessings, we lift our hearts in praise. Without a doubt, we'll know that we have been revived.